Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you on how you can add a theme on WordPress. This is a step-by-step guide so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now I am inside the WordPress website right here, and this is really simple. All you have to do is to navigate through the side categories that we have right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on Appearance. Inside the appearance, we then have subcategories right here, but basically we are already inside themes. If you want to add a theme to your WordPress, you can just go ahead and select on a theme right here. So in my case, let's just go ahead and say that I want my theme to be business theme, so I'll just go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to select the theme that you want to add through your WordPress. Now you can go ahead and review this if you want to. As you can go ahead and see, we have a demo site right here, and right after, all you have to do is to click on upgrade to activate, and it will now add this theme into our WordPress. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.